going first?
Ladies first.
Ladies first. Fun. Angie, you're first. You got this? Are we ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's make it so loud we break this bitch! Battle!
Guam, you look like Pitbull if he only ate pit bulls.
Pretty good. Angie's mom is white and her dad is black, and I grew up with my dad.
Damn, that
Slow
joke
burn.
was the bomb.guam. Hell yeah. Guam used to live in a closet, which is where they keep the not so fine china.
Angie graduated from USC, but those titties are still in the 7th grade.
This guy knows a little bit too much about 7th grade titties. What the fuck?
Hey!
What the fuck? Guam, you bloated Bratz doll. Guam makes women uncomfortable, surprise, surprise. But especially the black woman he stole that weave from.
Damn. Angie looks like those hippie girls that do porn and the bottom of their feet are always dirty.
He did a lot of research for that joke, everybody. A lot of research. Guam and I are both door guys. He taught me everything he knows. He's like the Mr. Miyagi of making minimum wage.
Damn.
Slack on, slack off.
Damn. Woo, shit. Angie looks like a scarecrow that sells crack at Not Scary Farm.
Give it up one more time for I Can't Believe It's Not Buddha.
Yay.
For Guam, every year is the year of the rat tail.
Lesbians do not like Angie because her pussy smells like her uncle's dick.
That one's a thinker. All right, that's 5.
Yeah, that's 5. Good job.
Keep it going for Angie Stroud and Guam Felix. Man. All right. Before we vote, I just got to say that Guam always has the most innovative jokes I've ever heard in roast battle. Lesbians won't fuck Angie because her pussy smells like her uncle's dick. I mean, man, the precision in that writing. Just so. All right, let's start with Omi.
Is that your uncle's dick I'm smelling right now?
How would they know?
Angie, you gotta go.
Is that Walter's dick?
Is that
Uncle Walter. Usually.
Uncle Walter?
Yeah.
Angie, I mean,
Not
you did
forward.
8 jokes in 5. You crushed. You literally had so many jokes. And, I mean, Guam, you shoot for the fences, man. You started with the I grew up with my dad. You were really hoping like we'd, go along for that ride, but we just didn't. And then, Angie, so funny, great job. Give it to Angie.
Yes, he swings for the fences. He's not legally allowed to be within 500 feet in. Go ahead, Doug.
Angie Stroud is one of the best young joke writers in roast battle in town. She's fantastic. One of the best young joke writers, and Guam is old. Guam is very old. No, Guam, you always make a roast battle fun. You never know what you're gonna say. Sometimes it fucking crushes, sometimes it doesn't. And you had a mix of those in this one. The scarecrow joke was really good. Angie, you top to bottom were crushing. Mr. Miyagi, Can't Believe It's Not Buddha. Everything you were doing was working tonight. You guys are so fun, and but this clearly goes to Angie. Yeah.
Yes. Angie, Jesus Christ, fucking brilliant joke writing, amazing. Fucking one more round of applause for Angie, please. One more round of applause for Guam for not dying of diabetes yet.
So brave.
Guam, you look like a Mongolian ninja turtle. Angie, you...
Fuck you, Miranda.
Angie, you look like a Timothy Chalamet character.
Or just Timothy Chalamet. Yeah.
That's true too, yeah. This battle looks like a guy trying to relive his glory at a skate park. You both look like you live on Spam for different reasons.
True.
Love it. But obviously I gotta go with Angie on this one.
Yeah, Angie, great job. I don't know how many times we can keep saying it. It was phenomenal. The Mr. Miyagi, the Buddha joke, fucking hilarious. I think the two best jokes of the night. And Guam, the not scary farm joke, I really like. As someone who has worked those events, I agree. You both do look like dolls that have been ruined.
Yeah, it's like,
You know what I mean? Like Bob's a Cabbage Patch, and she's like the darkest American Girl doll they could make.
it's a very
All
diverse.
right, I had you guys at first, and I lost you. I'm sorry. Angie, great job. Angie all the way.
All right. Folks, your winner of the main event here. She's 3-2 now. Miss Angie Stroud! Hug each other. Give each other a high five. One of the things. Keep it going for everybody you saw tonight. Lauren Michaels, KJ Vaughn, Taylor Gray, Walter Ford, Devin Kane, Ian Salazar, and our main event, Guam Felix, and your winner, Angie Stroud. Keep it going for everybody you saw. My team in the back, my judges, Kim Congdon, Omid Singh, Josh Martin, Doug Fager, Julian Fernandez, Kevin
Keep it going
McNamara.
for Brian Moses, too, everybody.
Shout out to the Emperor.